Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to install iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy A17. To do that, just open the Google Play Store, then in the search bar just search this. Then install this app on your smartphone. Tap on open. Now from this list just select your language. Then tap on continue. Tap on continue. Then tap on get started. Tap on skip. Now from here, just select the wallpaper which you like. Now I will select this wallpaper. Now after you select your wallpaper, then tap on set wallpaper. Tap on continue with ads. Now just tap on get started. Tap on set as default and select launcher OS. Then select set as default. Now after you do that, you will install the iOS launcher on your Samsung phone. Now if you want to hide the navigation bar, just go to settings. Then tap on display. Tap on navigation bar and select swipe gestures instead of buttons. After you do that, you will hide the navigation bar on your Samsung phone. Just like that. And this is how you can install the iOS launcher on the Samsung Galaxy A17. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.